Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to apply for the IPPS ARB Recruitment 2022 for the post of Office Assistant, Multipurpose and Officer Skill 1 Assistant Manager. I'll show you here how to apply for these two posts by using a mobile. Okay, so if you go to my previous video, I have put the link for the application on the description of my video. I'll put the link as well in this video, so click on the link. So after you click on the link, a new page will pop up. Then here you see it is written, click here to apply online for the recruitment of Office Assistant Multipurpose under the CRP Common Recruitment Process RRB 11. So the online application will start from 7 June 2022. So now I can apply. So in this video I'll show you how to apply for the post of Office Assistant Multipurpose. So the process of application is same only for the Officer Skill 1 also. So if you know how to apply for Office Assistant, then you will know how to apply for the Officer Skill 1 also. So let's apply. First, you need to click here for the new registration. Okay. After that, you can fill up your details here, your basic information here. First, you need to fill up your name, and then you need to fill up your middle name if you have a middle name. If you don't have a middle name, then leave this page blank. Then last name, and then you have to fill up your phone number, and then you need to confirm your mobile number, and then put your email ID. You need to confirm your email ID. After that, just scroll down. After you scroll down, you have to enter this security code. Okay, so after you enter this security code, press this save and next button. After you press this save and next button, then this pop-up will pop. Okay, it say, are you sure that the data enter is correct, or you want to edit the application? So if you write okay, then you don't need to edit it anymore. You'll proceed to the next page. Okay, so if you write cancel, then you can still edit it. So in case of me, I am sure that it is correct, so I'll press okay. After you press okay, this new page will come up. Okay, you need to scan your passport size photo, and then you need to upload your scan copy of the signature, and also the signature should not be in capital letter. Okay, remember, okay, before you apply, you should make sure that your passport size photo, your signature, your left hand thumb impression, and the hand declaration should be ready. Okay, before apply this post. And remember, you should note your registration number as well as your password. Okay, your password is this one, and registration number is this one. Choose photo. After you upload your photo, you have to upload the signature also. See, after you choose a photo, your photo will come here only. In my case also, the photo already here, and now you have to choose your signature. I have choose my signature also. After you choose your signature also will come here, and you have to press this button here. I confirm that this is my valid photo, and also agree to the above note. And you have to press this button also. I confirm that this is my valid signature, and also agree to the above mentioned note. So photo and signature I already upload. Now you have to press this next button. Press next button. After you press the next button, this new page will come out where you need to fill up your details. So select your category. So you should make sure if you are ST, select ST. If you are ST, select ST. Okay. So are you person with disability? So if no, then press no. So now next you have to select, are you as per PWD guideline? There no need, because you are not a disability person. So next is, are you a child or family member of those who died in the 1984 riots? No. Religion to which you belong? I belong to Christian. If you belong to Christian, select Christian. If you belong to Hindu, select Hindu. So do you belong to religious minority community? Christian is a minority, so select yes. If Hindu, then no need to select yes. Are you an ex-serviceman? No. Are you a disabled ex-serviceman? No. So period of service render, no need that one. Are you a defendant of serviceman killed in an action? No. Here also no need. Are you seeking relaxation under widow or divorced women or women judicially separated from their husband and who are not remarried? Here also no. Have you appeared for the CWE Common Recruitment Process RRB earlier? If you haven't appeared for this exam before, then press no. Then select the See here, nationality should be Indian. State or union territories for which you want to apply for. So I'll apply for Meghalaya, so press Meghalaya. If you apply for Kerala, press Kerala. If you apply for Manipur, press Manipur. Then center of prelims examination, Shillong. Center of main examination, Shillong. So if you apply for Meghalaya, Shillong is the only option for the center of examination, okay? So here also press select ID proof. You have to select which ID proof you want to give. If you want to give PAN card, then press PAN card. If you want to give photo ID, then press photo ID. So put your ID number here. So I put mine here. So next, note, candidates should be careful in exercising this option of medium examination. Select your date of birth here. Then next, select your gender. Then Aadhaar card number and PAN card number. This is not compulsory or mandatory. No need to fill up this one. If you want to fill, then you can fill. So do you have a twin brother or sister? No. Gender of twin, no need this one if you don't have. And marital status, unmarried. If you are unmarried, if married, then press married. Then fill up your father's name, mother's name, your address. After that, fill up your districts and then your address. After you fill up your address, then you can validate your details, okay? After you validate your details, after you press this one, then you can save and go next, okay? If there is no error, then they will write verified successfully, then you press okay. After that, you have to fill up your educational qualification details, okay? You can select from here which course, which stream you took, okay, during your graduation. I took agriculture, so I put agriculture. You have to put your date of passing here and then your percentage of mark and then grade. If you get first division, select first. So select the date of passing here. You have to select also, do you have a computer knowledge? If yes, then you have to select yes because it is desirable if you know computer, okay? So just right here, basic knowledge, okay? Basic operational knowledge. Operational knowledge. So after that, whether your local language of the state selected was studied in the standard class 8 or any level above standard 8 in the government recognized board or educational. So in case of Meghalaya, we study Khasi, okay, in our school time. So if you study Khasi, then press yes, okay? So if you study Khasi, press Khasi. If you study Garo, press Garo. In case of me, I study Khasi, so I'll press Khasi. So here, work experience, you select no, and then if you want to go for pre-exam training, select no. And then whether any prosecution sentence against you have been avoided by any court, then press here also no. And language known, press which language you know here. If you know English, press English, and then I know Khasi, press Khasi. If you know Garo, also press Garo, okay? Read, write, and speak. I know both read, write, and speak, so press here. After that, again press your validate your details. If there's no error, then press save and next. After that, verify successfully, then you have to press OK and press save and next. After that, this page will come. You have to select a bank preference. So I select for Meghalaya, so only Meghalaya Rural Bank are there in Meghalaya, so I press Meghalaya Rural Bank. After that, validate your details, verify successfully, OK, and press save and next button. So a page like this will come. It will show you your application form here, okay? You so scroll down. After you scroll down, you will see this. Press I agree. I confirm that my name is agree. So this button is no need, okay? This button, don't press this one. You press just I agree and I confirm. So press complete registration now. So after you press this complete registration, you cannot upload, you cannot edit anything, okay? So press OK. So are you sure that you are going to submit our this complete registration? So if you have any doubt that you still have mistake, then no need to press OK. If you are sure that your details are correct, then press OK. And now you have to upload your left thumb impression, your handwritten declaration, and you have to write this security code here. See, after you upload your left thumb impression, if it is clear, then press OK. And now choose your handwritten declaration. Your hand declaration should be like this. After you upload, this page will pop up. So your hand declaration should be like this, okay? You should write in freehand, okay? I and then your name hereby declare that all the above information submitted by me in the application form is correct, true and valid. I will present the supporting document as and when required. Copy this text exactly, okay, except you have to put your own name here. So this should be the format, okay. After you submit this, you press save and go next. After you press save and go next, this new page will come where you have to pay your application form fee. So the amount is 175 rupees for ST, okay. So whether you want to pay through this Paytm or through this one, so you have to click pay via bill this all the payments single location and put your security code and press submit. After you press submit, it will pop up, do you want to submit? Press OK. After that, this new page will come up. Then you can pay through UPI also if you have UPI, and then make payment. Proceed with payment. And then if you have Google Pay, you can scan this code to pay, and or else you can write your virtual payment ID here and make payment. So like this, you have to apply. I think I already discussed here step by step. You can follow my video if you don't know how to apply. So this much only. Thank you.